Hey guys, Shifter here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over this Punchmade Dev Cash App method. You guys probably seen my last video on testing out these Cash App methods, but you guys wanted me to investigate it a little bit more, and we're going to be doing just that. But something else that we're going to be doing is hitting 10,000 subscribers on this channel very soon, so I highly advise that you guys go ahead and subscribe and like the video. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you guys don't know who Punchmade Dev is, he's an American entertainer slash rapper that pretty much raps about the scam lifestyle. He isn't the first to actually do it. He used to rap with TJX6 and Casher Quan, but it seems like he is doing his own thing and is actually pretty successful at it. You can see that there's a bunch of pictures of him flexing and things like that, a bunch of money. But let's go ahead and investigate this a little bit more. He has his record label as well, where he has some of his signees, but you're probably wondering, what exactly does this guy do to make money? Because he probably isn't making that much off of rapping, but I'll actually tell you. So actually clicking over here, you can actually see that he has some music videos such as Scam Brothers. You know, it was an alright song, but what we're actually here for is his Telegram. When you get inside the Punchmade Dev Telegram group, you can see that he has a lot of things going on, a lot of vouchers, and also someone just hit the Cash App method on the plane apparently with his last $200, and he's also dropping voice messages as well. Let's see what this has to say.
If you want to make money today, listen up, pay attention. I'm about to explain everything real quickly. Now, for anything in this chat, you got to be Bitcoin ready. I pinned a tutorial at the top of the channel on how to easily send Bitcoin through Cash App. If you don't see it, scroll all the way up to the top of my channel, and you will see a tutorial on how to send Bitcoin through Cash App. It's real simple. All you got to do is buy the Bitcoin, then send it. Real simple. Now, you can send it from any Bitcoin app, Coinbase, any Bitcoin website, any crypto website, crypto app, a Bitcoin ATM. It doesn't matter how you send it. Doesn't matter who sends it for you. Just make sure you're Bitcoin ready. Now, with that being said, y'all wonder what we smacking today. Everybody has been hitting the Cash App glitch. If you haven't got on the Cash App glitch yet, what the fuck are you doing? Now, the Cash App glitch is 200 BTC for the steps. Like I said, if you don't have $200 Bitcoin ready, do not message me. You will be instantly blocked and kicked out the channel. I'm trying to figure out who's trying to make money today and who's not. Now, with that being said, the Cash App glitch is only 3 steps. That hits anywhere from 7 to 14K. You can hit that on the same account multiple times. Now, you can do it on fresh accounts, old accounts. It doesn't matter what account you're doing on, and you can hit more than once on one account. Hits for 7 to 14K, real easy. You can cash out, you can leave it in your account. Doesn't matter, you will not get banned. When you message me, make sure you're Bitcoin ready. Like I said, it's $200 BTC for the steps. Real simple process. You send the money, I send you the steps, we eat.
So apparently he is selling this elusive method for $200, which honestly I do not believe. You can see that the returns, like, come on, the returns on this glitch, 7 to 14K, you're getting back from 200. So basically what he's telling us is we're going to get a 3,000% return on our investment. Honestly, guys, I don't believe this at all. This is absolutely hilarious how people are believing this, but we're going to go ahead and DM him real quick to see exactly what's going on. So I'm going to send him this message. Yo, G, I am trying to hit the Cash App method. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. See if he is going to respond. I'm actually pretty convinced that Punchmade isn't really responding to these himself. I think if he's actually smart about this, he would get a virtual assistant, someone in the Philippines or India, in order to go ahead and do this for him. But while we are waiting for a response, let's look at some of these messages. A lot of different vouchers going on. So apparently this guy is slow when it comes down to technology, and he's made 14K. Again, like I said, this is absolutely buffoonery. This is not going to work at all. I can't believe people are really falling for this. This is just so ridiculous. So I'm assuming one of two things is going on here. Either A, Punchmade Dev is giving out a method that I'm giving out for free, which is going to be the referral method, and I'll show it to you guys at the very end of this video. Or B, he is literally just running off with people's money. That's the reason why he's requesting it in Bitcoin. He literally just goes ahead and cashes it out, and you will never see that money again. There's no refunds on Cash App or Bitcoin, and that's what he's actually banking on. Well, no pun intended. He's actually probably running to the bank in order to go ahead and get this money out into cash so it's not traceable. And in my opinion, I think it's just definitely really scummy, but he's definitely getting away with it. it, and he has a lot of different methods here, and there's just a lot more things for cheaper that you guys could probably do to make money. So I am going to rate this a 1 out of 10. We will see if Devin does reply to us on this Cash App method. I am not going to put my own money into it. I just want to see what the correspondence between me and him will be. I have known this guy in the past and we have done some things, but it actually seems like he has changed a little bit, so I don't know exactly what his reaction is going to be to me. So let's go ahead and show you guys the real Cash App method so you guys are not tricked into wasting your hard-earned money. It's pretty ironic that both of our methods are 3 steps both, so let's go ahead and jump into the first step of mine, which is going to be to download Cash App. So you guys probably have it already installed, and you also want to make a brand new account. It's very important for this method to work because this secret option inside of Cash App is not going to be available. When you guys are signing up, you want to type in this code DR918W7. That code will be giving you guys a free $5, and you can keep hitting this over and over again. I know this method is pretty slow, but I do have some options to speed it up, and just in case you guys forgot to put in the code, head up to the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and it's going to say enter referral code if you guys have a brand new account. Very important that you go ahead and put that code in. The next step is to link a debit card or bank card and send $5 to a friend and family. If you do not do this, this will not work. Very important stuff. I did get some of my friends and family to sign up today, and I was able to make a decent amount of money. Some days I'm making up to $200 just by doing this method, but keep in mind that this is a method that is sure to work, and it is a hidden feature within Cash App. You can only see this for the first 14 days, so take advantage of this very fast. But you guys can also see that you can invite people to Cash App as well. So I'm getting $15 per person that signs up via my code, and you guys can go ahead and do this as well simply by recommending people to Cash App. Another benefit of Cash App is going to be the cash card. You do save a lot of money on it, and I do highly advise that you guys go ahead and check it out. Next method is to head over to Twitter or X, and you guys could come across the official Cash App Twitter. Right here, they do have a bunch of different trivia. They're always giving out money. This is basically what they do. They'll give out like $10,000 per round, and it'll be literally deposited into your Cash App, which is really nice. You don't have to even be too knowledgeable about this stuff. You're pretty much entered into a raffle, and they will give you guys money just like that. It's not hard at all. And the best part about this is I'm in some private groups where we do have a sniping bot, which will snipe all the questions and give us the answers using ChatGPT, so we can be some of the first to get into the raffle, and as soon as they pick it, we can have the possibility of winning. So pretty much you just have to be consistent, and eventually your time will come to go ahead and get $10,000. And a lot of my subscribers have been entering, and honestly one of them have actually won, which I was like pretty shocked about. I thought this was like a 1 in a million chance, but people are actually winning this, so definitely check them out on Twitter. But anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. Unfortunately, Devin did not reply in time. I was hoping maybe by the time I actually wake up, we may be able to go ahead and get a correspondence with him. I might add it into the video. Okay, so Devin just replied, but he doesn't know that I do have a fake screenshot, and let's see if he does reply to this. I'm actually thinking this is a VA, so let's go ahead and send him a screenshot. So I'm going to send him this screenshot for 416 USD. I know that's not 200, but I'm going to say that I really trust him. I like his movement, and I'm going to send him double the amount. So let's go ahead and see if he falls for this. This is obviously for a different person. I had other screenshots like 2,000 and 4,000, but I don't think those are believable. So I think double is kind of a little bit more believable and it's kind of closer. So let's go ahead and send this over. I am sending double because I know you are legit. So he just replied, gotcha, brother. I'm gonna say, let me know when it touches down. But honestly, he ain't getting nothing. So let's go ahead and see how long this raid can go up for. I'm kind of curious. I'm also gonna say he commented on one of my videos before. I don't think he's gonna actually catch on to this. There's absolutely no way. Alright, it's been a while. I'm gonna assume that Punchmade Dev is not going to respond. He hasn't even opened my message at all. So I'm gonna assume that pretty much what he does after he gets the money is he blocks people. So that's pretty much what is happening here, and I'm gonna say that he's a scammer. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Shift Rate Reviews. Bye.